Avi Sri Dushyant. I am from Bangalore. I have done my BTECH in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Pranveer Institute of Technology. And I was from not coding branch and CS branch. I was from electrical branch. So it was very difficult for me to improve my skills and strength in the coding sector. But after joining the Jspiders Marathahalli Bangalore, I built my skills and here are very well trained trainers and HRs. They all are very cooperative. They help me to a lot to gain skills in one. I have studied many skills like React.js, Node.js, and MongoDB library. Here, the trainers which are well educated and well trained, they help me a lot to get placed in a EPAM solution. And my location is Hyderabad. When I came to the Jspider, I was not that much aware of the coding sector, but Jspider helped me a lot to improve my coding skills. And by taking proper mocks and regular presentation and a very attended the test and assignment. By doing these things, I have improved my skills in my one, and I am able to crack my EPAM solution interview. And finally, I am get placed with 8 LPA in EPAM solution Hyderabad. Thank you.